Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Web scraping is the process of extracting data from websites. In Java, one of the most popular libraries for web scraping is jsoup. This library allows you to easily fetch and parse HTML from a web page, making data extraction straightforward. Prerequisites. 1. Java Development Kit, JDK. Make sure you have JDK installed on your machine. You can download it from Oracle's official website, https://www.oracle.com/java/technologies/java-z-downloads.html. 2. Maven. While you can use jsoup without Maven, it's recommended to manage dependencies using Maven. Ensure you have Maven installed. You can find instructions here, https://maven.apache.org/install.html. 3. IDE. Use any Java IDE like intellij IDEA, Eclipse, or vscode. Step 1. Set up your project. 1. Create a new Maven project in your IDE. 2. Add the jsoup dependency in the pom.xml file. Step 2. Write the web scraping code. Here's an example of how to scrape data from a website using jsoup. In this example, we'll scrape quotes from an example quotes website. Explanation of the code. 1. Import jsoup classes. We import the required classes from the jsoup library. 2. Connect to the URL. We use jsoup.connect, URL.get, to fetch the HTML content of the target web page. 3. Select elements. We use css-like selectors to extract elements from the document. In this case, we select elements with the class quote. 4. Extract data. For each quote, we extract the quote text, the author's name, the tags associated with the quote. 5. Print the data. Finally, we print the extracted information to the console. Step 3. Running the code. Run the Java application in your IDE. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a list of quotes, authors, and tags printed in your console. Important considerations. 1. Respect robots.txt. Always check the robots.txt file of a website to see if scraping is allowed. Scraping a website that prohibits it may lead to legal issues. 2. Be polite. Avoid overwhelming the server with requests. You can implement delays or use polite scraping techniques. 3. Error handling. Implement proper error handling mechanisms to deal with potential issues like network errors, changes in website structure, etc. 4. Dynamic content. JSoup is great for static content. If the website uses JavaScript to render content dynamically, you might need to use tools like Selenium or other headless browsers. Conclusion. Web scraping with JSoup in Java is a powerful way to collect data from websites. With just a few lines of code, you can extract meaningful information and use it for various applications. Always remember to scrape responsibly and ethically.